Okay, so we're gonna put together this stick vacuum cleaner that I bought. First of all, it looks amazing. I'm so excited to use this. Feels really nice in my hands here. It's got the buttons here. It's got a little LCD screen as well, which I'm very excited about. So let's pop it all together. So I've got the bottom piece here. I'm gonna use the instructions because that's the kind of person that I am. Okay, so we're gonna pop this on, I think we pop this on here. They said. Yeah, until it makes a clicking noise, I assume. Let's go this way. In here. Perfect, there we go. Click, awesome. Love that, so cool. And then I think we'll do the same with this end until it goes a little click. It's good because there's little attachments in here so you can see where it actually fits in. Click. Wow, love this. This is really cool, and you can I'm pretty sure you can extend. Yeah, awesome. So you can extend that so it's nice and long here. Oh, so good. This thing is going to be amazing. Love it. Let's see if this button is charged. I think I might need to charge it up first. I've only just unboxed it. Pretty cool. And then yeah, this is it. So it comes in the 3 pieces, but it's obviously got with it comes with different head attachments, which I think is really cool, especially if you're gonna clean your car or like clean your skirting boards at home, clean in like tight little places. So 1, 2. Oh, this is the holder for it, so that it goes on the wall, which I think is really cool. That's awesome. So you can put it in your linen cupboard, in your laundry, wherever you can hang it up on the wall to charge. This is the filter that needs to go in as well. Very cool, very cool. And power cord and the battery. Very awesome. Anyway, this is my brand new stick vacuum cleaner, and I can't wait to use it.